Ever tried buttering toast in the dark? It's a mess, right? You're fumbling around, hoping for the best, and probably ending up with more butter on your fingers than on the bread. That's the 5-minute makeup challenge, except now, it's your face. There's no mirror, and the clock is ticking down, adding a dash of pressure to the chaos. You gather your favorite makeup products, set a 5-minute timer, and here's the twist. No peeking at your reflection, not even a quick glance. No mirrors, no shiny spoons, not even your phone screen. Just you, your memory, and your fingertips. It's all about trusting your instincts and letting go of control. The goal isn't perfection. It's about embracing the chaos, letting loose, and having a laugh at whatever masterpiece or disaster you create. Picture lipstick on your nose, an eyebrow halfway up your forehead. Pure unpredictability. Every attempt is a surprise, and that's half the fun. Will you look ready for a night out, or like you wrestled a paint box and lost? That's the fun of it. There's no way to know until the timer dings. Why do it? For the giggles, the memories, and the freedom to be silly. In a world obsessed with perfection, this is a breath of fresh air and a reminder to not take ourselves too seriously. It's a chance to be silly, make a mess and share a laugh. Whether with friends, family, or even strangers online, everyone's invited to join in the fun. It's a 5-minute holiday from being perfect, a mini vacation from the pressure to always look flawless. And honestly, who doesn't need that now and then? Sometimes a little mess is exactly what we need to feel free. So grab your makeup and join the fun. No fancy gadgets required. Just a sense of humor and a willingness to let go. Ready to dive in? Here's how it works. Get set for a whirlwind of color, chaos, and creativity. Start by laying out your makeup in the exact order you'll use it. Foundation, blush, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and lipstick. This helps you keep track, even when things get wild. When the timer starts, it's all about speed and touch. You'll need to move fast, but trust your instincts. Dab on foundation, feeling your way around your face. No mirrors allowed, just your fingertips and your imagination. Next, blush. Aim for your cheeks, but who knows where it'll land? Sometimes it's a masterpiece, sometimes it's a mystery. Eyeshadow comes next, smudged on with a finger. Your eyelid might feel bigger than you remember, and the colors might go wild. Eyeliner? That's the real test. Drawing a straight line blind is a heroic feat. Expect some wobbles and unexpected artistry. Finish with lipstick, pucker up and hope for the best. Sometimes it ends up on your lips, sometimes not so much. The timer beeps, you stop, and brace yourself for the big reveal. Take a deep breath. This is the moment of truth. The masterpiece is complete, whatever it looks like. Sometimes it's a work of art, sometimes it's pure comedy. It's a sensory adventure relying on touch, memory, and a dash of luck. Every attempt is a new experience. The results? Always a surprise. That's the magic. No two looks are ever the same, and that's what makes it unforgettable. The real fun is the gap between what you think you've done and what actually ends up on your face. It's that hilarious moment of anticipation when you're sure you've nailed it, until reality sets in. Sometimes you imagine a flawless masterpiece, but the mirror reveals a wild, unexpected creation. You might feel confident until you see the mirror. That's when the real comedy begins, and you can't help but laugh at your own reflection. Instead of a red carpet look, you get a Picasso, lipstick on your chin, one bold eyebrow, blush on your forehead. It's a masterpiece of mayhem, and somehow, it's perfect in its own way. Every attempt is a unique adventure, sometimes surprisingly good, often delightfully disastrous. Each brushstroke is a gamble, and that's what makes it so much fun. The randomness of smudges and streaks is what makes you laugh out loud. It's impossible to predict what you'll end up with, and that unpredictability is pure joy. Sharing the reveal with friends, that's the best part. Gasps, shrieks, and uncontrollable laughter. Everyone's reactions make the moment even more memorable. If you're filming, your genuine shock is what makes the videos so entertaining. Viewers love seeing those real, unfiltered moments of surprise and delight. It's a shared moment of silliness, a reminder it's okay to look daft. In fact, the sillier you look, the more fun you have together. The The messier the result, the bigger the laugh. It's about letting go of perfection and embracing the chaos. In this challenge, disaster is a win. The more outrageous the outcome, the more you celebrate. It's about letting go and enjoying the chaos. There's freedom in not taking yourself too seriously. No two results are ever the same. Each face tells a different, hilarious story. That's what keeps us coming back. The thrill of the unknown and the joy of making a glorious mess together. Why do we love watching makeup go wrong? It's classic slapstick. Visual comedy at its finest. We're used to seeing perfection, so chaos is a refreshing change. Everyone's had a makeup mishap. This challenge just magnifies it. It's relatable, honest, and makes us feel better about our own little mistakes. In a world of filters and flawless photos, this is raw, real, and unfiltered. The reactions, shock, laughter, horror, are genuine. It's a rebellion against perfection, celebrating imperfection and authenticity. Anyone can join in, no special skills or fancy tools needed. It's accessible, pure fun, and a way to connect and share a laugh. Sometimes the best memories come from the silliest moments. That's why we love it. Want to improve your odds? Here are some tricks. Use cream-based products. They're easier to blend by touch. Let your fingers guide you. Feel your cheekbones, brow bone, and lips. Stick to simple looks. One eyeshadow, tinted balm, nothing too bold. Practice with your eyes closed to build face memory. Don't overthink it. The fun is in the surprise. These tips won't guarantee perfection, but they'll help you look more human than abstract art. Remember, the goal isn't flawlessness, it's fun. Embrace the mess and enjoy the ride. This wild idea exploded online, especially on YouTube. Beauty influencers known for flawless looks ditched their mirrors and let chaos reign. Nikki Tutorials was a pioneer. Her hilarious, messy results made everyone feel better about their own skills. Soon, everyone joined in, comedians, celebrities, and regular folks. Friends filmed their attempts, sharing lopsided lipstick and wonky brows. The internet was flooded with funny, feel-good videos. The best moments, genuine reactions, gasps, laughter, and pure surprise. It became an inside joke everyone could join. No big budget needed, just makeup, a timer, and a sense of humor. It's the people's challenge. So what's the point of all this? It's a reminder that makeup is just for fun. The challenge helps us relax, laugh, and not take ourselves too seriously. You learn about your own face, its curves, shapes, and quirks, by touch alone. It's a mindfulness exercise in disguise. Most importantly, it teaches us to embrace imperfection. The messier the result, the more successful the attempt. It's a lesson for life. Mistakes can be joyful. The 5-minute makeup challenge is more than a trend. It's a celebration of laughter, friendship, and letting go. Sometimes the best way to feel beautiful is to stop worrying about being perfect. So grab your makeup, hide your mirrors, and give it a go. You might just surprise yourself and have a cracking good time.